Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI with a showdown between two heavyweight contenders, ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. We'll be exploring their user interface, creativity, boundaries, and more. So let's jump right in. The links to Copilot and ChatGPT are in the description. First up, let's talk about the user interface. Here we have Copilot with its sleek design and easy-to-navigate layout. And over here, we've got ChatGPT, functional but slightly more basic. Copilot takes the lead in terms of accessibility and user-friendliness. Now, let's move on to creativity. ChatGPT is known for its ability to generate diverse and imaginative responses to prompts. But don't count out Copilot, which offers a similar level of creativity with added tools and resources. In the creativity department, Copilot edges ahead with its comprehensive feature set. Next, let's talk about boundaries and drawbacks. While ChatGPT may struggle with certain prompts or lack up-to-date information, Copilot offers a wider scope of capabilities, providing detailed summaries, additional resources, and real-time updates. Moving on to general advantages, Copilot shines with its diverse range of features and plugins. From designing to organizing, Copilot offers a wealth of tools at your fingertips. While ChatGPT has its strengths, such as a mobile app and file upload capability, it pales in comparison to Copilot's extensive feature set. And finally, let's talk about pricing. Both ChatGPT and Copilot offer free versions, but for those seeking advanced features, there's a price to pay. ChatGPT's Plus plan comes in at $20 per month, while Copilot's premium package costs $20 per user per month. While both plans offer value for money, Copilot's comprehensive package may be worth the investment for those seeking top-tier features and functionality. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.